If you want to change the display refresh rate on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you need to do is, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Now once you open settings on your phone, then you want to scroll down a little bit, and then you should be able to find the display and brightness. And once you go here, then we need to find the refresh rate option. And then in the refresh rate option, we have the choice between the default option and custom. If you go for custom, then you have the choice between 60 Hz and 120 Hz or 144 Hz in the case of the 17T Pro model. So of course you can just choose how much refresh rate you want to have on your phone. Now the difference between the custom and the default is that while the custom allows you to have 60 Hz and not more, or you can of course enable up to 120 Hz, it is enabled all the time in this case. And if you choose default, you can use up to 120 or 144 Hz, except for situations where the battery consumption is higher or the performance of the device is slightly decreased for some reason. So in that case, the refresh rate can be lowered temporarily to 60 Hz in order to save the battery. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.